Hi, this is Ritan. Welcome back with another video WordPress tutorial. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to add a social icon or social icon in links in your WordPress website with the help of Elementor for free. You just have to do click and add link. That's it. So let's start. Log into your dashboard. Go to that page where you want to add a social links. So I want to add a social link here. So first we have to do click on plus and create a section. Okay, then go in search widget and search for social, and you will see social icon is appear here. So just drag here and you will see some social icon automatically created here. You just search and drag here and you will see it's automatically created here. Okay, so it's in middle. If you want to do in left, you can do in left. If you want to in right, you can do by in alignment. Go in alignment. Okay, so if you want to give them a square shape, it will in square shape. You can change their shapes according to your choice. Okay, so from here you can see Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. If you want to add one more item, whatever item you want, you know what, for example, you want some you wanna add YouTube is already here, so you wanna add here Instagram. Okay, so search for Instagram, click here and you wanna add Instagram over here. So I search for Instagram. Okay, click on it, click on insert, and you will see Instagram is appear here. Now I'm gonna tell you how to link it. Go to your Facebook page or YouTube, for example. Copy the link. Here YouTube is. Control V, paste here. Just you can also change their colors if you want. For example, if you want to give them any extra color according to your choice, some more color you can give them. Okay, and click on update. Now I wanna see that I'll like give to a YouTube it's work or not. So let's find out. Go to your that page and you can also preview from here. You see some eyes over here. Click on that and you will preview that page. Okay, you see the social icon is shown here. So I link the YouTube and you will see the YouTube link is working. Okay, it takes me on that page where, like, for example, I link that page. Okay, so this is how work. You can change color, you can add, you can delete. For example, you want to delete Instagram, just do it and it's just delete. Wherever you want to add, you can add. Okay, for example, if you want to add social icon here, you can add. Just search for social and drag it and you will see they are created here. Okay, just update, preview, link them, and that's it. I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and question, ask in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.